Hey guys, what's up? So we have heard about macronutrients, that are fats, carbs and protein. Okay, there's something very important to improvise your digestion system, and of course this macro can be only utilized when your digestive system is in the best performance. So that's about fiber. We're going to use something called as zucchini. You must be definitely aware of this one. Zucchini has got a humongous amount of nutrients in that. It has got very good amount of fiber and some amount of very good vitamins in that. It's anti-inflammatory, so it adds a lot more value to that.
Welcome to BodyProCoach. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here, and today we're going to be doing a really healthy starter, I would say, or a snack, mid-time snack. It's called as Zucchini Tikki. So it's going to be nice, it's going to be chewy, and as always, it's going to be crunchy.
Yeah, let's go for this one then.
Yeah, let's see the ingredients. That's 1 cup of grated zucchini. If you have a food processor or if you have a chopper, you can put into it and going for 0%. That means completely shredded, as small as possible. It's just been washed and directly been chopped to the bare minimum with the skin over it. Next I have is 1 cup cauliflower. The cauliflower florets are being boiled for about 5 minutes. After that, they have been chopped or grated to the smallest and to the perfection, and then extra water is being removed by squeezing them. Small cup of coriander leaves. You can also choose and put parsley if you want. That's 1 tablespoon of almond flour. That's 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. So I'm going to be using avocado oil for cooking my tikki. You can also use an option ghee, clarified butter, or you could use olive oil. That's rock salt. And lastly, I'm going to be using, as we're going to be making it low carb and slightly keto friendly, I would say, we'll be using xanthan gum so that it's not high in carbohydrate. And it also gives us the kind of binding what we're looking for. 1 cup zucchini, cauliflower grated, chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, rock salt, 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum, and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm going to mix the mixture nicely, and I'm going to make a nice dough out of it. You could also use your hands and make a dough out of it. So I'm going to quickly brush the cauliflower tikki, what we have made from the dough. The zucchini and cauliflower tikki, they look nice. So I'm just going to put slightly little olive oil onto it, and now they're ready to go onto the pan. So I'm going to quickly put them on the pan. Now I'm going to be putting oil on the other side as well. Once they become slightly golden and nice and crispy, we're going to turn them. So by putting oil on the tikkis directly, you save putting a lot of oil on the pan and making it like really oily. So they're going to be crispy, but they're going to be with bare minimum oil. Now we're going to let it get golden and get it crispy and crunchy. So they're going to give you a nice fragrance, and once it is slightly well done, you're going to flip them over and let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Good option in this are, you could also add chopped chilies if you want it a little spicy, and to make it a little more keto, you could add cheddar cheese or a mozzarella cheese to it while you're making the dough. So the crunchy zucchini tikkis are ready. All of you all should try this, and please drop in the comments below how they are done.
Alright guys, so you have more reason to be fit. So you get to eat the food that you like. It's more tasty. At the same time, you're going to be staying lean through the entire year. So go out there, share the video with your friends and family, and enjoy the food. See you next time.
Stay tuned.